Hey guys, good morning. I'm going to go over the breakout activity for those of you who are choosing this for your level 3 assignment. So when you open up the Google Doc, this is the template that you're going to be turning in. So you want to make sure that you're typing all of your answers onto this document. At the very top is a link. You're going to click on that link. It's going to open you up to the digital breakout activity. Go ahead and take a moment to read. This is right in line with what we're going through here with the COVID-19 virus. So the first task, you can open it up in a new window if you'd like, or click on the little plus to just kind of magnify it. And you can print this out, or you can write them down on a scratch sheet of paper, or toggle between your screens to write your codes, your answers on the document, or you can scroll down and write your information at the bottom of the page. So the first one is asking, is it growth or decay? And we see the Y values are increasing, so it's going to be growth. My A value, the initial amount is 6. The B is what is it multiplying by? It's multiplying by 4. Domain is going to be the X values. Range is going to be the Y values. Once you've answered all of these questions, you're going to come down here to get your code. It's saying the B value from file 1. So we look at file 1, the B, that's what it was multiplying by, and we said it was 4. So I'm going to look and see B equals 4. 2 is going to be the first code number for the code to unlock this. And you would do the same for the next 3. So once you have all of those numbers, the 4 numbers that you need, you're going to go ahead and just click on them on your screen. And then once you have your combination, you're going to click next, and it'll take you to the next breakout activity. And here, similar, you have a table, and in the table, or you have a table, some features, and then the equation. And notice the equations are the ones that have the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so on question 1, you got to match the table, and then it's features. And you can see the features is going to be the one that's going to give you the code. So if it was H, you would put an H, D, A, whichever what it is, and then the tables. So once you have those 4, those are going to go, not only are you going to type them here, but remember you want to be typing them on your Google Doc screen, okay? And you can see there's 4 tasks. Once you get to the third task, this one is helpful if you have a calculator, and so you can find those values. The A and B values you can get from the equation. And then if you are able to download the calculator here, I would go to graphs, and I would go ahead and type in the first one, which is 2 times, oops, what am I doing? It's going to be 2 times that 1.8. And then we're going to raise it, that little button to far left of 4 to the X power. And then remember, if you do menu 5-1, it'll trace, and you can just arrow over and see, okay, when do we surpass 100? And you can see it's about at 7. And then for infected at 10 days, you can just literally type that 10 on your calculator screen, and it will take you to the value 714. So you'll get those numbers, and then you'll use this little spin, and you'll see where does your numbers fall. And then like if it's greater than 200, then my answer code's going to be 6. And so that's going to go in the slot, also on the Google Doc, and then you will unlock your screen. Then you get to your last task, and you're putting these in order, and this is the directional lock, and it tells you China's up, United States is down, Italy left, United Kingdom right. And then you're able to unlock the final code. And then on your doc, you have all of your codes listed, and then you also have your final questions. There's 2 questions that you need to respond to, and then you would turn it in. All right, if you still have questions, feel free to contact me. Send me a private message through Google Classroom. That's the quickest way I've been responding.